Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add text behind a person in Picsart. First, open Picsart, tap on the plus button and select the photo you want to edit. Tap on the text option and then type your text. This effect is very useful if you're creating thumbnails for your videos. Now you can select text font and adjust other settings. Place the text where you like the most. Now tap on the text and then tap on the eraser at the top of the screen. Adjust the eraser and then start removing parts you don't need. Tap the brush and then carefully fill in areas around the person in the picture. To save the edit, press the Save button at the top of the screen.